I am Josh at Random.
And I'm Charlotte at Random.
And we're going to do a science experiment.
Yay!
Here is what you will need. Clear vinegar, oil of any kind, baking soda, and where is it? Oh yeah, in my pocket. Food coloring. Oh, and also a clear glass, and some kind of light to illuminate the lava lamp.
Okay, step one. Get the big glass and put it on the light box. All right. Now, let's put some baking soda in it.
Oh, and if you don't know what we're making a lava lamp.
Next step, put oil in it. All right, go for it.
It smells weird.
Put a good amount in there.
Keep going. How tall you want this lava lamp? There we go. Good job.
I'm scared of what's gonna happen. In the camera, it looks really cool. Like the bubbles are going up.
Yeah. All right, next step. In the small cup, put in your vinegar. Yep. Yes, the one you haven't used yet. Now, white vinegar is needed because if you use any other vinegar, you're not going to be able to see the color. All right, good. There you go.
It's making me thirsty because it's like water.
Yeah. We're estimating the heights. It doesn't need to be perfect, but we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, now, food coloring of choice. Now, put in the vinegar.
Okay. Because my favorite color is blue. I'm not wearing any blue today, as you can see, but...
It's blue now, yes.
Yeah.
This is a gel, which means we're going to have to mix it.
Ooh.
So I've never done this before,
Ooh,
so I'm curious to know how this is going to go. I've seen it, but I've never done it.
I've never seen this. I don't know what...
Right, make sure it's blended all the way through.
It looks like jelly! Wait, is it... No, sorry, jelly. Jello.
Yes.
Jello, sorry, I meant jello. Sorry.
Yep.
Oh, that's...
Now, start pouring it in. Drum roll. Put some in. Don't be afraid. All right, good.
OMG! That's awesome, y'all.
So now it mixes. So the vinegar mixes with the baking soda it says on the bottom.
That's awesome.
And it really starts going into effect. Hear that? Fizzle, fizzle.
It's like when you have soda, ginger ale or something, and it's like all fizzy. Ooh, it looks like the bowls look like Orbeez.
There it
That's
goes.
cool.
Pretty cool, huh? Good job, Princess Leia.
Oh wow.
ASMR for any of you that wants it.
Zoom back up.
Zoom it. Pretty cool.
And if you want more like videos, comment down below and like and subscribe so we know you want more of these videos. Because this is just awesome. Okay, can we put more in now? Because like this is...
Enjoy that wonderful chemical reaction. This can go for a while now. All right. That does it for now. Tune in next time, if we decide to,
Bye.
for another experiment. Stay random.